What you're about to see is one of the world's best-kept culinary secrets.
This single thread is worth more than its weight in silver.
Inside these walls, ordinary seeds transform into culinary gold. Every great dish begins with a single seed. The journey from harvest to your kitchen starts in hands like these. 7,000 miles from your table, the harvest has already begun.
1 week too early, and the flavor never develops. 1 week too late, and it's lost forever.
These flowers bloom for only 2 weeks each year. Timing is everything.
Each pod contains over 250,000 seeds, and every one affects the final flavor.
6 months of careful curing transforms green pods into black gold. These pods will travel through 15 hands before reaching a single kitchen.
A difference of 0.5 millimeter determines whether this bark costs $10 or $100.
These chilies will hang for 40 days until every drop of moisture has surrendered.
At $5,000 per pound, every thread must be accounted for.
1 fruit, 2 spices, nature's hidden efficiency. This fermentation process intensifies the color that will brighten dishes worldwide. Every seed is tracked from the field where it grew to the jar where it will rest.
This oil concentration determines whether the herb is medicinal grade or culinary.
Color intensity predicts flavor potency. Weak color means weak taste.
Only perfect stars command premium prices. Broken pieces become extract. These cloves traveled 6,000 miles, sealed in darkness to preserve their potency. 60 days of controlled aging develops complexity no fresh pepper can match.
Only when every origin is verified does transformation begin.
The transformation begins by removing everything that isn't flavor.
At 120 degrees, harmful bacteria are destroyed without sacrificing a single note of flavor.
The space between these stones determines whether spice becomes powder or paste.
Heat unlocks the oils trapped within the bark's cellular structure. This single cut releases an aroma that took 9 months to develop. Nothing is wasted. The pod becomes extract. The seeds become pure flavor.
As water leaves, the color and flavor concentrate into something extraordinary.
The seeds carry heat. The flesh carries flavor. Both have their purpose. Beneath the earth-stained skin lies the color that will define 1,000 dishes. Uniform thickness ensures every slice dries at exactly the same rate. Too much pressure destroys the seeds. Too little leaves them trapped. Freezing cold prevents the heat of grinding from destroying delicate aromatics. Every element converges here before the master blenders take control.
2% moisture difference determines shelf life, measured in months or years.
With one command, individual spices begin their journey to become something greater.
This is where individual ingredients become a single, unified flavor.
In this moment, the spices lose their individual identities and become something new.
3 stages of separation ensure every pinch contains the same perfect balance. In a vacuum, heat-sensitive aromatics survive the blending process intact.
If the color doesn't match the standard, the flavor won't either. No machine can replace what a trained palate can detect in a single taste. Speed generates heat, and heat is the enemy of flavor.
Invisible particles are removed before human senses could ever detect them.
In this room, a single mistake costs more than most earn in a month.
These pods will surrender their essence for 6 weeks until nothing remains but flavor.
At the molecular level, the formula must be exactly right. Not almost, exactly.
This ancient technique captures the soul of the plant in liquid form.
90 seconds of controlled heat transforms mild seeds into bold flavor. 1,000 tests run in the time a human could complete just 10.
Human judgment makes the final call that no algorithm can replace.
From this point, precision and speed work in perfect unison.
Not 49 grams, not 51 grams, exactly 50 every single time.
Invisible nitrogen creates a protective atmosphere that preserves flavor for years. This seal promises the contents are exactly as they left the production floor. Every label tells the story of origin, quality, and traceability.
Some must be opened so millions can be trusted.
From this point, the journey to store shelves begins. Each pallet is built to the exact specifications of its final destination. From here, these spices will travel to 47 different countries. Every day, enough spice leaves this facility to season 50 million meals. For 30 days at sea, these systems will maintain perfect conditions. These spices leave their birthplace to transform meals they'll never witness.
Every batch leaves behind a witness that can be recalled for years. Independent verification ensures our standards meet the world's expectations.
Every complaint teaches us something we didn't know before.
We test years into the future to guarantee quality today.
Invisible threats are detected before they could ever reach a consumer. Parts per billion are measured to ensure absolute safety.
What the soil contains, the spice can absorb. So we test everything.
DNA doesn't lie. The genetics prove the spice is exactly what we claim.
These documents open borders and guarantee trust across nations.
Government verification ensures our spices are welcome across every border.
Halfway around the world, The journey to your kitchen enters its final stage.
The last hands before yours, place these spices exactly where you'll find them.
In professional kitchens, these spices will transform thousands of plates.
The moment the seal breaks, months of work deliver on their promise.
From distant fields through precision processing to kitchens around the world, an extraordinary journey of flavor.
Behind every jar is a team who takes pride in every grain.
These spices carry more than flavor. They carry tradition across generations.
From 6 continents of origin to every corner of the world, connected by flavor.
While you sleep, the next jar of your favorite spice is already being prepared.
Now you've seen what few ever will, the incredible journey from seed to seasoning.